Thank you so much for coming tonight for our 2024 end of the year celebration. And there is so much to celebrate. It's been a fabulous year. Continue to grow and really building for 2025 and knock it out of the park. So thank you all so much for being a part of our team.
Hey, thank you very much for joining us for this event. We wanted to have this event just to celebrate all the contributions of our employees.
Thank you everyone for coming tonight. We want to welcome our employees, guests, partners, at our friends and family here to join us for iLink's 9th annual end of the year celebration.
It's been 23 years since iLink was founded.
We are privileged to honor a truly exceptional individual who has been a cornerstone of our team for over a decade.